Welcome to Survival on a Budget Made Easy. Your home for all the info you need to know when you're just trying to survive on a budget. Time for another Dollar Tree food review. This time it's a Bumblebee Spicy Thai Chili Seasoned Tuna. If you want to learn more about it, I'll be right back. Okay, welcome back to Survival on a Budget, Made Easy. Like I said, we're looking at the Bumblebee Spicy Thai Chili Seasoned Tuna. It's 13 grams of protein. It's 2.5 ounces, and it comes with a spoon. Now, I got this at the Dollar Tree, where everything's $1. Serving size is 1 pouch, and it's 90 calories. It makes sense. And it gives you instructions. Of course, they'll give you instructions how to open up a container, but not how to make your frozen vegetables. Okay, let's just go with it. First, let's open up the spoon. It's kind of a neat spoon. It's foldable. Give you a close-up view of that. I kind of like that idea. I'd like that for a camping spoon, to be honest. Okay. Go ahead, open up the tuna. Now this reminds me of that other name brand pre-made tuna in a pouch. I think that goes for about $1.25. Close look at the inside. Now you can smell, it smells spicy, to be honest. Here's a close-up look. I'm going to go ahead and give it a little taste and let you know what I think. Okay, I'm going to say it's not bad, but it's not as good as what it smells. It smells really good, but then you get it, it kind of has like a flat taste to it. It's not really all that spicy. So on a scale from 1 to 5, I'm going to say it's about a 3. I mean, give it a try. I think it does have a pretty long expiration date. Best by May 2020. So, I mean, throw it in your lunch, maybe take it to lunch, maybe put it on some crackers, nice little snack. Just, I wouldn't call it spicy, that's all. Especially with the spicy and chili, it's really not that spicy. Like I said, 3 out of 5. It's worth trying it for $1. Okay, do me a favor, click on that subscribe button, and as always, thank you for watching.